Everyone, so let's talk about internal auditing. As I already introduced in my last shot, that what needs to be the next topic of discussion and learning from my side. So I am sure that you must have heard about internal auditing a lot many times before, but I am not restricted to only a certain type of organization here, since I'm always talking about the IT organizations, but the things and the criteria or the concepts remains same irrespective of any sort of industry or the organization you are into. So what do you mean by internal auditing? Basically, it means to understand, assess and prevent, right? So what you will understand, so you are auditing something, right? Internally auditing something in an organization because you're the part of it. So you have to understand how businesses works, right? Then you have to access it, what can go wrong in a particular process or step, and how you will prevent it helps to prevent from happening any risk. So these are the three things which is important to taken care by the internal auditor. So the role of the internal auditor includes the unbiased decision, giving advice and suggest improvements. So if you are the internal auditor, your decision or your responses should not be biased, should not be affected from any sort of discussions or relations in the organization, right? So giving advice includes the assurance part and suggesting improvements includes the consulting part. Another part I'm talking about is risk and risk management. So what do you mean by risk? So risk is a possibility of an event occurring that will impact objectives. It's quite known to all of us, right? So this is uncertainty and that will impact the objectives that matters to you or to your organization. In short, evaluating and improving the effectiveness of risk management. This is what you need to taken care. Process to identify, assess, manage, and control risks to provide reasonable assurance regarding the achievement of the organization's objectives. This is what the role of an internal auditor, right? Whatever the process is, what can be the possible issues, risks which may arise. That includes internal auditing and the role of the auditor. And in return, you have to suggest improvements. Rather, you highlight that organization that yeah, this is not as per the mark, or yeah, that differs from audit to audit, but I'm talking about the internal auditing here. So internal audit, basically I'm the part of the organization, and I'm just taking care of the compliance part and the standardization of that particular organization. So that's what it means. So I'm hoping that this is clear to you, and we'll catch up later in our another or next video. Thank you.